It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. We are outside, as you can see again, FNB Stadium. It's the final day of the Absa Premiership season. It's been exciting. It's been a long journey. A lot of things have been said about how we do our work. But of course, most of you have been loyal. We thank you very, very much. Of course, the final day will be the Nedbank Cup between Bloemfontein Celtic and the Mamelodi Sundowns as well. But it's the final day of the Absa Premiership. www.wsp.co.za. Disky50 is the name of the code if you want to go there and open a new account and get yourself a 50 rands. Go www.wsp.co.za. Terms and conditions apply. It's for new accounts. You will get the terms and conditions on the website as well. Baroka taking on Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns hosting Black Leopards. That's the games that we'll talk about in this video as Junior Kanye analyzes those games. What he thinks is going to happen there. Baroka, relegation candidates. Black Leopards, relegation candidates. Chiefs and Sundowns, championship candidates. Junior, we've reached the end of our journey with Premier Soccer League. First match esishayile Orlando Pirates versus Sundowns on the 15th of January. At the beginning of this, at that time, maybe we had 1,000 subscribers. Manje, we have 20,000 subscribers, and we are growing and growing. How do you feel about the final games? Not even talking about the games, how do you feel about the fact that this is literally the last day of the season in the league?
Very excited for ama-game wakusasa, also disappointed ngale ndlela engiyibukelile lama game lawo bewadlala now. Ngikhuluma on Wednesday, especially kule game le Kaizer Chiefs ne Chippa United. Yeah. Very disappointed because it's no longer a competition. Remember, it was interesting. As much as I was saying, I'm still saying Sundowns will win the league, but Kaizer Chiefs and they were on top, leading. You understand, in terms of goal, it's different. And now, plan which is straightforward. Disappointed, because reality, they cost the team a good relegation zone, and there was a goal disallowed. You understand? And also 2 red cards. A questionable, nobody was a cover. Benefit of that marna cover. And there's 2. It's not a red card 50-50. So abantwana bakorrelate 3 goals. I've been criticizing Sundowns. I know it's one of the best team team in terms of our team adlala more of a South African football and also effective, who can score goals with the individual brilliant and philosophy, culture and structure. But very, very disappointed, especially about the goals. But good compete with Kaizer Chiefs is number 1. And Kaizer Chiefs win. Just like that, the 3 point. So about 7 very disappointed. Even tomorrow I wish Krestanga Pagamisi Sandla for Baroka, because reality I don't see Kaizer Chiefs even coming back tomorrow. Even if I'm sorry, unless something happen. I'm not convinced. They can hurt Baroka. We understand. And Baroka, remember, if they lose, they go relegation. But the Sundowns manje highly motivated. Yes, but we super sport for 1. Yeah, but consider about it. I don't think any blessing in disguise to them, because it's over motivated with the chances consider makulai 4. We are sitting pound to pound. It goes goal different. It's in kulmangala pa na pants. Balinga na point. Is a good goal different. Mabili be consider na. It's a counter. So I don't think they will concede Kaizer Chiefs. It's going to be tough for Kaizer Chiefs to win. System yabo. I coach. I suited my players. Mama check up kama ukorile, yes, but ikola konulbonile tap in and ngama stats. You understand, it's a ball whereby it defending the mistake kuti allow tower square. Makzo square tower there. Ikutsheleni into nkululeko yeah cabanga uthawa la tholakala khona kula kumele kutholakala ama offensive midfield you understand okanye wing back yabo, but I don't believe good this thing Kaizer Chiefs sesikhuluma nje yile nto okutshela yona le way 352 bazoba catch up as ngisho every time udlala ngoSasman udlala ngoThawa udlala ngadi Sky uKhaduso boy 3 there's no understanding. They go sometimes kuThawa no Khaduso ebholweni boy 2 there's no coordination. Yes, move to Tower, but timing is more important. You can be short, best defender in the world. Thiago Silva is short but timing. So Utawa it's a bit slow again. You understand? And Utawa uyo onokumaka thola ukuthi uCarius uyasweeper. And manje Utawa bamshiya. You understand? Thola ukuthi enye into abangakwazi ukuthi bayenze labachithi. They don't know how to communicate, bra. Communication yabo abusisi man. They sometimes you understand. Yiko bakoro. They were lucky as ngisho ngithi ngo-referee, and I was happy to see Tumelo Nkune back mina. Na manje I'm still excited. You understand? Ukuthi Kune can save them tomorrow, but Ngetro is going to end up because Baroka don't see them conceding as well.
Right. Yeah, now we already getting the ball rolling and talking about the Baroka versus Kaizer Chiefs game. Let's talk about it a little bit more into detail. If a team is better 4-1, if you lose 4-1, what makes you think that they will then be able to defeat the Kaizer Chiefs? I know in context the league, they need to survive. Nabo, ne Black Leopards, they are there below, so they need to survive. I understand that, but Umangabu Kabuza, Hrobla, they were scoring goals midweek against Baroka. Why wouldn't Unurkovic, Ukama Piliato, Manyama, whoever score goals? Why would Baroka not lose this game if they've just lost 4-1?
Kunomkoena in the middle. The answer is simple. Kunomkoena is a playmaker. Hardworking, box to box, but playmaker. You understand? Kunombule, yeah, sekukhuluma nge-supplier. Angithi makune-supplier, uyayinika team ukuthi ayi-threat. The supplier kunombule, kunomkwena. In the middle, you understand? There's this boy wing Ulungu. You understand? Yeah. You understand? Very speedy and skillful as well going forward. Eliminate. You understand, my brother? So, Gunabundiba, very good player. You understand? And we should in terms of brain. Thinking in cool. And obviously, Ukrobla Munto Panda. Munto na say in your way. It does this go only in Togo. He hit a manyama rocket to Toluguti now sometimes. You understand? Yes, Kabuza in Togo and stuff, but Unambona Bamen's second best. He really, you understand? So, Iagniga Leon Toguti, there's Basera is playing as a wing back. He goes forward very crosses wake pinpoint. So as ngisho nkulu and by variety game with SuperSport akusifeni yakakhaithani team the way badlala ngakhona because they play similar like Chiefs. Mara kunama player that they are playmakers, ball players because umbule joba ngisho nomkwena they complement each other. Hardworking but skillful. And decision making ile Kaizer Chiefs creativity umbule uyabanika kule individual brilliant futhi anayo mfana. You understand that ukuthi uyapply lapha and never since and benchini they've got couple of players abangafika benze izinto senze ku SuperSport. So Kaizer Chiefs as ngisho ngithi kuwe mawuthi kimi aboSaminenkovic who's going to supply them? Because Katsande is not comfortable, and then he sometimes is not too sure whether he's going to play because he coach Imbonile na ukuthi ayingisebenzeli. Yes, he win, but he must get a yellow card. You understand? So sometimes it can be a red card, and it's not comfortable always facing receive ball face ball luck. Manga check distance umchita ishana distance just uhlala se afini receive ball afini yakhe every time phambi kwe back 4. We understand? Okay, sharp mhlambe instruction ukuthi mela gade I back 4 yakhe, but unokuba late still. Ngegame engibabonile ma Stellenbosch was late. The bola leli korong enhloko is the one who was supposed to pick that person up. You understand? So Nkululeko as ngisho ngithi ubani ozo supplier uSaminenkovic ngoba ikwenye enyaweni ayikho mnandi. Only head obvious aba crosses ukutshelile they will deal Baroka obviously ba analyze ngoba they can't afford to lose. Uma ngoba checka nge-defending they are very good in defending Baroka. Yes, if they get people that are clever ngoba lezantwana zincane they play player that they come from South Africa champions mostly cause SAP experience uyayibona ukuthi ayidlala role. You understand? Yes, Kaizer Chiefs yoba ngisho lezantwana nge-experience then but who's going to supply that experience ngikhuluma ngoSaminenkovic? You understand who and Kama because uKama ugcina frustrated mangamcheka Nkululeko
pound for pound. Arguably, you could say that Kaizer Chiefs are better than Baroka. At least when you look at the log, you will see that they're separated by 14 or 13 teams between them, and maybe by 10 or 15 points. I don't know how the points log is looking in terms of each team. I think Chiefs is on 56 points. Baroka is struggling there on 20-something or 30-something points. So, Gushuguti, pound for pound, throughout the rest of the season, Kaizer Chiefs have been better than Baroka. How do you see then a result for Baroka if Chiefs pound for pound, we can agree, Uguti, they are better than Baroka?
Very answer is simple. Reality Nkululeko ngizokuphendula lapha reality pound to pound. There's Khune there playing for Bafana number 1. First choice Daniela Pay is a Nigerian goalkeeper. You understand? Yeah, obvious have been questionable ngale but sharp is like it or not he is. Yeah. There's Chawa playing for Bafana. There you understand my brother. There's Gushuti and Ukatsande international. I don't like the way indlela dlala ngayo. Zimbabwean is. You understand ngizamkuthini? How many players are representing national team in Baroka?
That's the thing. That's why I'm saying. That's why I'm saying.
Pound to pound
Sithatha kuphi ukuthi Chiefs may not win. It could be a draw. draw because football is football, and they could lose it's because football is football. But in terms of naturally just understanding what you look, at the end of the day, Chiefs, we have to concede that they are better than Baroka, at least when you look at the log position.
Kaizer Chiefs has just beat got manje akusikudala a draw with Stellenbosch.
Yep.
Stellenbosch, nobody that you can see kunama play individual Skelem and whoever you understand Dona Lubanu Dupree dynamic players only nale defender idlala emuva Robertson that's all my brother and a clever keeper that's all so bayibambile Kaizer Chiefs they even baqisha bayidla that you understand Kaizer Chiefs beyilandela it tells you another story ukuthi in our days ngithema ngicheck ama games since January nkuleko akuna team game abayidominate Chiefs they always yes bazokushaya in terms of length ama set pieces which is actually obvious it's something that sayigesa ibhola semoyini la noma ubani so ngishoba ngisho kuwe ngithi kuwe nkululeko labantu laba igame negame idominate ama opposition bona they score you understand they were lucky njengoba ngitshela mawacheka le game yabo ne manje nephulukwane City phulukwane City baphile le game ene bheki ku position bani bheki ku position bani so Baroka I reason that's why the reason ngisho mina ngithi they can ukuthi baphume lapha yana bayibambile Sundowns and is playing forward football idlala ngawo onke ama angle they've got comfortable players individual mara bayibambile so Kaizer Chiefs I don't angeke is going to be tough because it's serious ne coach bangacheck is under pressure 11 yayo ayazi inengqondo ukuthi ubani ozongwinisa and stuff because akanayo as much as khuluma sichap they playing ama game kushuthi quickly it's 2 days after 3 days in a short period of time and emele bayenza ama chop and change but the core change you can't swipe 2-3 not the core their coach sometimes change kuma position as sensitive in the middle. You understand? In the middle, sometimes we center back la. We should center back yabo. Labo bantu inkinga chu.
All right. Let's wrap it up then. Kaizer Chiefs. We need to move on to Sundowns versus Leopards. Kaizer Chiefs versus Baroka FC. Your prediction then for tomorrow?
Mina ngizokutshela iBaroka izoyina le game repairing it through. It's gonna Baroka will win or izophela nge-draw. It's gonna be 1-0 or a draw, my brother.
All right, there you go. That's Junior Kanye's prediction. Of course, a lot of people are allowed to disagree on the comments. That happens all the time. If you want to really disagree, you can put your money where your mouth is. www.wsp.co.za www.wsp.co.za. That's the name of the website where you can go and put your money on some Premier Soccer League matches before and during the match as well. www.wsp.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns, Black Leopards for the Absa Premiership title or for the status of staying in the Absa Premiership. What can Leopards do to contain Sundowns? They've defeated Bidvest 1-0. Morgan Shivambu and Mongezi Bobe, these guys were just recently playing and they are caretaker coaches with Black Leopards as well. What can they do to contain Sundowns? We just won 3-0 against the Polokwane City.
It's going to be tough. Very good coach. Bobe, he was a good player, but no Morgan.
Midfielder,
yeah, but you understand. Very good coaches. We need to keep really by Choli Gupile parts. They come back now, buying some changes. Kulego they won 2 games. You understand? But to pity my respect. While my respect is good, is a little Sundowns. You understand? So it's challenging in Kulego. A very good team, structured in Kulmang and Respect United, and then they had to go by low. You understand? So Kulego by Pete. Kulego and Jobang is showing it. It's gonna be tough. Yes, in reality, it's gonna be tough by maintaining because our coaches, very good coaches, experience. They not that much in coaching in PSL. And Ukumbule experience Sundowns. They've been in Champions League, individual brilliant. In a structure, their club. In a philosophy. They are about in Joma check. I can tell you, somebody Mr. Simon. Yeah, Ugune came shape 2-3 generally Kaizer Chiefs 1. And I'm criticized in terms of second half. I'm trying. Tomorrow they're gonna apply themselves against the as much as body language obvious is she should buy phone. But they will be patient at the back and then in the middle. Up front, yes, there will be more of dynamism. Dynamic. 1 touch, 2 touch. Back Melanga will hold the match. He is a system about 4-3-3. Yangana the oganye 4-2-3-1 isystem yabo so nkululeko njoba ngisho ngithi mina ngiboni baba maintain angiboni because manje ngitshelile kule game lebe bayidlala Sundowns now when they are playing now they won 3-0 against Polokwane City kore defender kone midfield kone striker they didn't cause it. You understand and disallow goal which is like this, you understand? And kunamanye ama-goal njengoba ngisho amanye ama-game abanye abantu mhlambe they might think ukuthi we it's a reality, they're playing good football currently in South Africa. You understand? Mina ngiyabanika labachita laba second team Pirates, but Pirates is speed one way. You understand? Sundowns, they are patient, they know when where. You understand? That's a different class. Ikutshela njengoba ngishilo ne-technical team yabo. I don't see ukuthi I know desperate Black Leopards baku relegation zone, but equality pound to pound from number 1 at downs currently. Mamela mabrada imakancane lezonyango ngaphandle kuHulumweni, so ikutshela into national team both goalkeepers. You understand? Top class. You understand? So right back anele Ncenceni bafana abroad came back experience kuno kulaleke sometimes bafana sometimes get called you understand? Langaman icover bheka ama cover, so ichaza chief who's the cover. Ngikhuluma ngabe ngale 11 ayithembile coach le mina ngiquestionayo sometimes, so ilento ngitshela yona.
Yeah, the biggest elephant in the room, of course, is the idea that if Kaizer Chiefs win 1-0, football being football, whether you think they will win or not, matches will dala over 90 minutes. No one knows what will happen in the game. It could be that Chiefs win 1-0. Now, Sundowns would then have to win 4-0 in that stadium, set Dobsonville, where the ball does not touch the ground comfortably. Bamba throughout. That's my concern as I'm thinking about the permutations. These guys need to win by this margin, but unfortunately, that stadium is not conducive to ball playing. In reality, whether you like Sundowns or not, that's your problem. But that's the reality, that stadium is really not conducive to playing ball at Papanza. So how would they score 4 goals tomorrow?
Kule reality it's tough. Ngibonile mani Pampi kule game le bayitruwile le what his name before the game le Polokwane City. There's a game that they played actually Polokwane City they lost iBaroka, they lost 1-0.
Oh yeah, the Baroka.
Yeah, they lost 1-0. Mawungabheka uphakamani Mahlambu kwalithola one pump ikushuthi ibhola libhampa before lifike enyaweni kunzima ukumisjudge ukujudge ibhola enjalo leya pitch bumpy, the pitch mawungacheck ayisuthi style reality mari class is permanent. They will come with the idea. I'm sure Mr. Msimeni njengoba ngitshela the technical team inzima kakhulu Nkuleko, they will go definitely sure mhlawumbe they are allowed even today to go and train and stuff, obviously I believe, and by observile ukuthi chance this is what must we have to do 1 2 3 4 5 in order for us to get a goal. You understand? Njengoba ngitshela Nkuleko ukuba maintain anyaxolisa, yes we might say the pitch is suthi Baroka and Kaizer Chiefs will be that side iyodlala ku carpet. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough for Baroka to maintain ulo Leopards because the Sundowns even njengoba ngisho ngithi they are clever, they can bayenze nje but okay awuthi singalibambi kakhulu they will good one listing one on one, can you play them behind but them laba bantu they've got players who can take players on ukuthi aningalipasi nje noma kanjani ngoba linokubamba uthola ukuthi lishayisa umuntu. Yeah, that's a reality. They will win the game definitely my brother.
Yeah, but they could win 1-0, they could win 2-1, but 4-0, are you adamant that they could get to 4 or 5? Because if Chiefs win 2, then it increases to they need to win 5. So you adamant to go to whatever they need, whether they need 6-0 or 5-0, they will get there.
Kulileko anything enzeka ku Sundowns too. Ngiyacela singaba right off. Hayi ukuthi my bumpy pitch ayikho playable. There is iyadlaleka my brother. Kuleko my brother iyadlaleka ene bangaba catch up. Mina ngine believe ukuthi 4 bangayishaya. And Sundowns njengoba ngitshelile Nkuleko. Labantu bane class. They don't have to worry about laba bantu. Laba bantu abekho mnandi my brother. Because in reality ukuthi they can't even make baphume nga 10 touches kwafi yabo. Sundowns iyaphuma. Kulo lela ground pumping ngibonile mina ngale game kunalaba ke kulo libele so. They had to ukuthi bayfinish lapha ni Baroka. But packing the pass is statement sokuthi ngamane uyangana my Leopards need to win. Akunakuthi they need to, yes beyinama game ekhona iBaroka, remember bekuna 2 games up front. Now Leopards akunama game tomorrow's end. They must go and score. Izolfuna mara kulfuna kwayo bazokhohlwa definitely sure bazobabamba. They are slow at the back, babonile center back yabo nabo balahla bade yes timing ngeke ngayibona Serino ngemovement abadlali nge-number 9 that they play with false number 9. It means it chaza ukuthi ne-defender can score ngoba bona ngeke bayena bakanjani phambili. Yeah,
all right, there you go. Final prediction then, www.wsp.co.za. You can also put your prediction before we get his prediction. You can always put your prediction there, put your money where your mouth is, and of course if you disagree you have an opportunity then put $100. Maybe you could make 250 in the process if you think that perhaps Leopards would win. I'm sure you would get a lot of money if you put $100 thinking that Leopards will win as well. When are your final prediction? What will be the scoreline for tomorrow?
Mamelodi Sundowns will win 3-0. I know Kaizer Chiefs that side won't score. You understand? It will be a lucky kube draw. And mababakora kuzoba inking. Sundowns will win 3-0. And 3-0 yabasuta if it wrong ada. It suit them. And izo shy 3. Izo shankulegi 3. Akusinking because sikhuluma fact manje ama fact and kunama singawa cover anybody can score. Anybody can score. Achali is not there, my favorite player in PSL as a whole, all in all, but there's Rivaldo could say pick up ile mfana kule game lebe ngimbukele le manje where most be need ukuthi pick up so ngikhuthazile ngoba be need win up, but yes and pound to pound njengoba ngisho Rivaldo, remember is abafana it's been there done that, so ikhona knowledge umfana and manje njengoba pick up ile banohlompo ba complementana to each other. Nguleko I'm telling you they will win the game because some full backs for Santos tomorrow there will be coordination. If one goes one with ngeke bahlale forever, you know why bafuna igoli ngoba njengoba ngitshela amanok attack ngama full back ba take ngale 3 full back bakateka ngale 3. It's very no Hlompo Phena can score. Technically it's good. So I'm a brother, I'm a technically passing game. I was excited about Umshishi as well. Kune individual talent engavela while basibambile sharp basiplanele but manje awuthili kuke sikibo. Ngichaza ile nto leyo, there are players that can make things happen out of the blues there. Yeah, Serino taking them on the floor, creating them technical like is good. So uyayibona ukuthi amangelo ngakhona.
Okay, there you go. There you go. That's his prediction then. Of course, we'll be tomorrow giving you the post-match analysis as usual as we do. And you also have an opportunity on the comment section to disagree. I'm sure thousands of you will disagree as usual. We love it. This is your home as well. Itiski TV, www.wsp.co.za, 0645250513. And of course, we are live on Facebook. We have a huge community, growing community there where we give you behind the scenes content. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching this and may the best men win tomorrow.